In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Rahul Mohindar Oscillator or RMO indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, such as stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles or price bars, we're ready to add the indicator. At the top of your chart, look for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open a new window or panel where you can browse and search for all the available tools and scripts on TradingView. Inside this Indicators window, move your attention to the search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any specific indicator without scrolling through lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there. Now start typing Rahul Mohindar Oscillator RMO into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will filter the results below. You should see the RMO indicator appear in the list. Make sure you select the correct one that matches the name Rahul Mohindar Oscillator or RMO, then click on it once. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically, usually in a separate panel below the price. Once it's on your chart, you'll see the RMO lines and values displayed. To customize how it looks or adjust its parameters, hover over the indicator's name on the chart panel. You'll see a small gear icon appear, which represents the settings. Click on this settings icon. A settings window will pop up, allowing you to tweak things like colors, line thickness, and any input values that the indicator uses. Take a moment to adjust these so the RMO is easy for you to read and fits your trading style. When you're done, hit OK or close the window and your changes will be applied. If you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want to unlock more features, you can use the link in my description to sign up. It's a simple way to get started with the same tools you're seeing on screen and follow along more effectively with tutorials like this. And that's all you need to quickly and easily add the Rahul Mohindar Oscillator indicator to your TradingView Pro charts.